What is a CRM software, and how CRM helps businesses to grow? CRM starts from customer relationship management. And CRM software basically helps to manage all the data of your potential customers and existing customers. Leads coming for different platforms collected in SalezRobot CRM and assigned to the right salesperson automatically. Basically, CRM features include better data organization, better communication, better accessibility, automation of business. Let's take SalezRobot CRM as a sample. It's one of the latest CRM software and has very amazing features. SalezRobot CRM leads are automatically distributed to the sales team. Automatically send your unique proposal message to the customer. If you forget to take a follow-up, SalezRobot will remain to take the follow-up. Take your business to the next level with SalezRobot CRM. World's best CRM software for all business. Sign up your free demo. More information, call us 842-803-1234. Visit our website www.salesrobot.com.